This video will go through the steps necessary to set up an Athletic Live Meet to use the AthleticField Field Event Officiating app. The method described in this video is online sync, which counts on an available internet connection for each device running a copy of AthleticField. Results data is transmitted over the internet to the online scoreboard, and data for completed rounds is downloaded from the internet to the computer running your meet management and scoring software. If you'd prefer to keep your field event devices offline and have a local network established in your venue that you can attach devices to, you can use Athletic Live Local to configure field events using Local Sync instead. See our video regarding Local Sync for specifics. When setting up your meet, enable AthleticField by selecting Standard Meet with Field Scoreboard add-on or Professional Meet with Field Scoreboard add-on. Under Live Field Scoreboard, choose AthleticField app and choose whether you want to show wind readings. Once you've finished configuring the other details of your meet, configuring the events and seeding your meet, set up your scoring software to export start lists for field events. For High-Tech's Meet Manager, note that you'll need the Field Event Interface plugin from High-Tech. From the Run screen, choose Interfaces, and then Setup and Field Event Scoring. From the menu that appears, choose Field Links File Sharing and click OK. Go back to the Interfaces menu, click Field Event Scoring, and choose Update Start Lists. Check the box that says Activate Update of Start Lists, and change the data location to something that's easy to find, then click OK. For Meet Pro, from the Interfaces menu, choose Field Links and then Setup. Choose a folder that's easy to find, and then click Save. On the main Athletic Live admin screen for your meet, choose Upload EVT and PPL file. Browse to each file you just saved in your scoring software and select it. Then choose Upload File. Now that you've uploaded the field event schedule and flight lists, return to the main admin screen for your Athletic Live Meet and choose Manage Events. This screen allows you to configure each field event that AthleticField will be managing. You can configure each event manually using the Edit Round buttons, if you wish. You can also batch configure all events at once. We'll cover that in a moment. Horizontal events allow you to configure the measurement type, whether you're going to record wind readings, and whether you're going to have prelims and finals. If you choose to have prelims and finals, enter how many qualification attempts there will be, how many athletes will reach the finals, and how many final attempts there will be. If you choose not to have prelims and finals, enter how many attempts each athlete will receive. For vertical events, select your measurement type. If you're electing to use Alive groups, select how many people will be in the Alive group, and then choose how many people need to be left at a given height to cease doing Alive groups. To enter heights for vertical events, enter the starting height in boxes 1 and 2, with meters or feet in box 1 and centimeters or inches in box 2. Box 3 is the height increment. How many inches or centimeters is the bar raised each time? Box 4 is how many heights should be created. Click Calculate Heights to create all of the heights, then click Save Flight. If entering all this information for every field event seems daunting, there's an easier way to configure all the events in one batch. Click Download Config CSV. This will download a pre-formatted, comma-separated value document to your computer to quickly fill in parameters. Open the document in your favorite spreadsheet software. Each event is shown in its own row. Each column header allows you to select parameters that pertain to the event. Measurement. Enter the whole word English for measurement in inches and feet. Enter the whole word metric for metric measurements. For vertical events, you only need to worry about these columns. For horizontal events, you only need to worry about these columns. Enter wind, 0 for no, and 1 for yes. Attempts. Enter the total number of attempts if there are no finals. Qualification attempts and final attempts. Enter the number of qualifying or final attempts. Leave blank if you're not having finals. Final athletes. Enter the number of athletes you're taking to finals. Alive groups. If you're going to use alive groups, enter the group size here. Leave blank if you aren't doing alive groups. Stop alive at. Enter the number of competitors that should be remaining when alive groups should be discontinued. Start. Enter the feet and inches, or meters and centimeters, of the starting height. Step. Enter the number of inches or centimeters the bar will be raised each time. Number of heights. Enter the number of heights the bar will be positioned at. Don't forget that your vertical event officials will be able to edit the height list later if they need to from within the app. When you're finished, save the spreadsheet in CSV format, then choose Upload Config CSV on the Field App Events page. Find the file you just saved and upload it. Your events will be configured according to the parameters you entered. Finally, click Sync Events to App to prepare the data for retrieval by the app. To load an event into a copy of AthleticField, open the menu and choose Load Round. Enter the 6-digit key shown to load the round into the app and begin officiating. A brief guide to officiating can be found in our Introduction to AthleticField video. After an event is concluded and all marks have been recorded with the app, click Download Round Results to download a zipped file containing all of the flight result files for that event. Move the files inside the zipped file to the location of your EVT and PPL files that you established in your scoring software earlier, and then retrieve the marks from within your scoring software. In High-Tech's Meet Manager, hit Get Marks. In Meet Pro, hit Get Event Results. If you'd prefer, you can wait until the conclusion of all field events and click Download All Results. This will download one zipped file containing all field results for the meet. Move all files inside to the folder location you chose in your scoring software, and then retrieve the marks for each event.